Hey, Kejin, Trent Tate here with Tameron Honda. First and foremost, thank you so much for taking my call just moments ago. I'm the Costco Certified Sales Representative here at Tameron Honda. We set you up with that 9:15 appointment time on Saturday, and I just wanted to send you a brief message introducing myself and show you this is the Honda Civic LX sensing package that you inquired about online through the program. So we're looking forward to having that pulled up, waiting on you Saturday morning at 9:15 when you arrive. But if you have any questions in the meantime, you can contact me direct at 205-504-2358 by phone or text. I truly appreciate the opportunity to go to work for you, Kejin, but when you make it to Tameron Honda, you're going to love the way you're treated.